y'all probably never seen asparagus before. This is asparagus. This is the tool we use to harvest the asparagus, all right? This is the right tool. This tool saves me a lot of trouble. Love this tool. We eat the different parts of the plant. This is the stem part. Jersey's known for having good asparagus because we got sandy soil. A lot of times people don't have any idea what asparagus look like when it's coming up, you know, much less how it's harvested. What we're trying to do here at Halen Farms is basically change your relationship with food. So now you see kind of how this thing is harvested. Just like that. Boom. Bop. Bop. Got it on the second one. Better understanding of asparagus. How it grows and how we get it and everything, you know. Check us out at Halen Farms. We're doing what we can to grow it right and get you growing it right. You know what it is. Stay rooted, keep growing.